Hello everyone. Welcome to Stoic Teachings. Today we unveil the profound power of remaining unaffected by the chaos of the world. Let us dive into the ancient teachings that have guided warriors, philosophers and leaders through the ages and emerge with a new understanding of self-control and fortitude. All I ask is that you watch this video in its entirety. Prepare to be inspired, challenged and forever changed. You can always leave suggested topics in the comments for future videos. Before starting this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin on the power of having nothing affect you. 1. The Essence of Stoicism. Stoicism, founded by Zeno of Citium in the early 3rd century BC, is more than a philosophy. It is a way of life. At its core lies the principle of living in harmony with nature, accepting the moment as it is, and cultivating an indomitable spirit. As Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher king, once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This central tenet empowers us to rise above external circumstances and find true inner peace. 2. Embracing the present moment. In a world filled with distractions and uncertainties, the Stoic finds solace in the present moment. Epictetus, a former slave turned philosopher, taught that we should focus on what we can control and let go of what we cannot. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. By embracing the now, we free ourselves from the chains of past regrets and future anxieties. This mindful presence allows us to fully experience life and respond to it with clarity and purpose. As you concentrate on your actions and reactions rather than eternal events, you practice acceptance. For example, you will let go of grudges, past mistakes, and unrealistic expectations. This will help reduce stress and frustration by accepting life's uncertainties and promotes a more peaceful and balanced state of mind. 3. Limit exposure to negative influences. Assess the people, media, and environment you are exposed to. Identify those that consistently bring negativity to your life. Reduce or eliminate time spent with negative influences to limit exposure to negative news and social media. You have to surround yourself with positive influences like friends, uplifting media, and inspiring environments. By taking this step, you reduce exposure to negativity, which can improve your mood and outlook, while also encouraging a positive and supportive environment. Seneca, the Roman statesman, emphasized this when he said, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." By accepting that external events are beyond our control, we focus our energy on mastering our inner responses, thus achieving true tranquility. This profound insight helps us navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. 4. The Art of Indifference. A Stoic remains indifferent to external possessions and accolades. As Epictetus declared, wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. This indifference extends to praise and criticism alike. By placing our value on virtue rather than material wealth or public opinion, we become unshakable. This inner freedom allows us to remain steadfast in our principles, regardless of external circumstances. For example, this will help your ability to recover quickly from setbacks and adapt to change. This step will also build a stronger and more positive mindset that can handle adversity. 5. Overcoming destructive emotions. Destructive emotions are the antithesis of Stoic calm. Anger, fear, envy. These are but shadows we cast upon ourselves. Marcus Aurelius advised, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." Through rational thinking and self-awareness, we can overcome these emotions, turning adversity into an opportunity for growth. This process of emotional mastery is a cornerstone of Stoic practice, enabling us to maintain inner peace in the face of external turmoil. Try to understand situations from other perspectives to build better interpersonal relationships. You will improve communication skills by actively listening and responding in conversations, better managing your own emotions, and improving relationships with others. You enhance the ability to navigate social conflicts. 6. the strength in adversity. Adversity is the true test of a Stoic. Seneca wrote, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body." Each challenge is an opportunity to prove our resilience and fortitude. See challenges as opportunities to learn and grow rather than obstacles. You will have to welcome new experiences and tasks. View constructive criticism as a valuable feedback for improvement by reflecting on the feedback and applying it positively. You have to stay persistent in the face of setbacks and remind yourself that effort and persistence lead to improvements. By viewing obstacles as stepping stones, we transform potential setbacks into powerful catalysts for personal growth. 7. Practicing negative visualization. One of the most powerful Stoic exercises is negative visualization. By imagining the loss of what we cherish, we prepare ourselves for life's inevitable changes. This practice, endorsed by Epictetus, helps us appreciate what we have and remain steadfast in the face of loss. It is not pessimism, but a profound gratitude for the present. This foresight allows us to navigate life's vicissitudes with equanimity and strength. Reflect on what makes you uncomfortable and stressed. This will determine your personal limits in various aspects of life. You have to protect your mental, emotional health from being overwhelmed by others' demands or behaviors. 8. Living with purpose. A Stoic lives each day with purpose and intention. Marcus Aurelius urged, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be one." Our actions align with our principles, and every moment becomes an opportunity to live virtuously. Purpose fuels our resolve and keeps us grounded in our pursuit of excellence. By committing to a life of purpose, we ensure that our actions reflect our deepest values and aspirations. For example, clearly define a problem you are facing right now. As you think about it, write it down and analyze it from different angles. Create a list of possible solutions without judging them initially. Consider creative and unconventional options. Then assess the pros and cons of each solution. Choose the best one and implement it step by step. After implementing the solution, review the outcome. Reflect on what worked and what didn't for future references. This enhances your ability to effectively tackle challenges and reduces feelings of helplessness. 9. The community of humanity. We are all part of a greater whole. Stoicism teaches us to view ourselves as members of the human community, contributing to the common good. As Seneca beautifully put it, "No man is an island. Every man is a piece of the continent, a part of the main." This sense of interconnectedness fosters compassion and empathy, guiding our actions towards harmony and justice. By recognizing our shared humanity, we cultivate a sense of unity and collective well-being. Try to build relationships with supportive friends, family, or colleagues who you can turn to for advice and comfort. Never hesitate to seek help from others, because it can positively provide emotional support and practical advice during difficult times, which helps you feel less isolated and more connected to a community. 10. The eternal perspective. Finally, we embrace the eternal perspective. Marcus Aurelius reflected, "Think of yourself as dead. You have lived your life. Now take what's left and live it properly." By contemplating our mortality, we gain clarity and urgency, ensuring that we live each day to its fullest, with integrity and courage. This awareness of our finite existence motivates us to make meaningful choices and live authentically. Fellow seekers, the path of Stoicism is not easy, but it is profoundly rewarding. By cultivating self-control and fortitude, we rise above the storms of life, becoming unshakable beacons of strength and wisdom. As we navigate our journeys, let us remember the timeless words of Epictetus, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Embrace the power of letting nothing affect you, and transform your life with the unyielding spirit of Stoicism. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Stoic wisdom. Subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content, and click on the links to watch our other videos on philosophy, wisdom, and personal growth. Good day.